didn't know?
He didn't say it's a boy. He said,
See what it is?
Look, what's the baby's name?
On my belly.
What's the baby's name?
yeah.
Baby Rocco, yeah. He's cute.
He's so cute. He's so tiny.
Gentle.
He's sleeping.
Rocky.
Luke, it's okay. He's sleeping. You don't want to wake him up. When he wakes up, you can play with him, okay? You can show him all your toys.
Ask Aunt Kathleen what song was playing. What song?
You gonna share your buzz with him?
I was singing
scared of us.
Strange Things.
Yeah, I said, you got a friend in me, and she said, strange things are
Baby
happening.
came out of her belly.
Look,
no more big belly.
No more big belly.
No birdie.
No belly.
Nope.
Nope.
Her body's all hers again.
Here.
No babies.
Probably thinks it's old.
And Jess's now. Luke, why don't you put this down?
She's having
Her
a girl.
sister had a baby literally the same time as you.
Oh my
She
god.
got induced today. Jess sent me text as soon as Rocco.
Really?
Alright, you can laugh at
Pretty
me.
little guy.
Yeah, he's a nice size. Yeah. He's a nice size. Yeah, there's a little blood on his
What
head.
Eagles jersey do you want?
They
had a lot at Walmart.
So go Birds.
Here we
Go.
go.
Anybody know
Got
where
us
they
a Penn State hat for tomorrow.
Let's not get crazy.
Do you do a little Penn State?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got him a Penn State.
Yeah.